Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Are you someone who's curious about digital marketing but doesn't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about a digital marketing course for beginners. So, let's dive in. Scene 1. What is digital marketing? First things first. What is digital marketing? Simply put, digital marketing is all about promoting products or services using the internet. It includes anything from social media posts, Google Ads, email marketing, and even the blogs you read online. It's how businesses reach their customers in today's digital world. Scene 2. Why learn digital marketing? Digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills today. Why? Because almost everyone is online. Businesses are shifting their focus from traditional advertising to digital platforms, creating a huge demand for digital marketers. Whether you're looking to start a new career, boost your business, or just add a valuable skill to your resume, learning digital marketing can open up tons of opportunities. Scene 3. What will you learn in a digital marketing course? A good digital marketing course covers a variety of topics like 1. SEO, search engine optimization. This helps your website rank higher on Google when someone searches for a product or service. 2. Social media marketing. Learning how to create engaging posts and ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. 3. Email marketing. Sending the right emails to the right people at the right time. 4. Content marketing. Creating valuable content like blogs, videos, and infographics to attract and engage your audience. 5. PPC, pay-per-click. Advertising. Running ads on Google and social media to drive traffic and sales.